So guys, today's video I'm going to be showing you how I transform this wig into a braided wig. I got this wig from Megalook Hair. I did a review or tutorial on this hair before, and I wanted to switch up the look a little bit, so I decided to do a braided hair with this wig. This wig was super light, super full, and because this hair was extremely light and it was perfect for summer, I decided to do a cornrow back. I didn't want no hair at the front whatsoever, so I sectioned the lace part of the hair, the wig out. I put it into a bun. I sprayed that with water. The reason I sprayed that with water, so that it's easier for me to work with. Then I sectioned two part of the hair towards the front, like I cornrow two string of a cornrow towards the front, and that is what I did. The hairstyle that I'm trying to do today is a Fulani braid or tribal braid for this hair, and you guys are going to see how amazing the outcome was. I really love the outcome of this wig because this wig was so light, especially for summer. I wanted to like do something more with this hair, so that is the reason I decided to like just do like a simple braided hairstyle that I can actually rock with this hair. So I just did two cornrow towards the front, and I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to cornrow two cornrows towards the back. So this is going to give me the style that I was looking for. And I always spray the hair with water because it was easier for me to grab or to cornrow. It wasn't slipping out of my hand, and yeah, that's what I did. You guys are going to see how great and beautiful this look at the end of the day.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me
So now that I'm done with one part, I'm just going to go ahead and create the same pattern at the other side. As you can see, it's looking so beautiful. Now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and curl this hair. I decided to curl this hair because I wanted some curls in it. It was really a good idea. It was really easy to curl, and the curly one I was using is from Walmart. It was about $24. It was really good, and I believe it's the Revlon curly one. It was really cheap, and it was a really good curly one. I really like that curly one. I have other curly one, but this one was actually this was the first time me using this curly one for my hair. So that is what I did with this hair. I just went ahead to give it some curls, and it was looking really good. It's completely changed the entire look of this hair, and I was really happy about that. And yeah, that is what I did with this hair. You guys are still going to see at the end how the hair look like, guys. It was really, you guys will see how it looks like.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
So guys, this is the final look of this braided wig. I didn't lay this down with the glue. I just put it down like that. There was no glue on it whatsoever. I just put some hair mousse at the front to lay the edges down. If you want, you can put some glue down to make it lay flat, and because I didn't do that, there was some part that was lifting, but because I'm not going anywhere, I just wanted to do like show you guys how it will look. I did wait this the next day, but I just wanted to show you guys on how it look on me, and I was liking the style. It makes the hair looks different, and it makes the hair feel different by curling it. And that is all about this video, guys. I hope you guys love these tutorials. Please stay blessed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you guys on my next tutorial. Stay blessed, guys. Bye.